Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to create a Happn account. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, make sure to install and download the application from your Google Play Store or an App Store. For that, open up your Google Play Store and search for Happn in the search bar. Now click on the install button just below the app. Now wait for the application to get downloaded. And once it's done, launch the app. Now you can sign up with either your Facebook account or your Google account. If you choose to sign up with Facebook, you will be prompted to grant access to your Facebook account. And if you sign up with Google account, you need to choose a Google account. Now tap on accept all the conditions and terms. Here I choose my Google account. Next, you'll be asked to provide some basic information about yourself, such as your name, your gender, date of birth, your sexual preference, and a profile photo. You can also add additional photos and a short bio if you like. Once you have filled out your profile, you'll be asked to set your preference for type of people you are interested in meeting on Happn. And finally, you'll be taken to the main screen of the app, where you can start swiping and matching with other Happn users. And that's it. You should now have a Happn account set up and ready to use. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.